Hey Dennis, hang on a second here. I'm tweaking with my stuff. Can you hear me? Can you hear me okay? No? You're good? I can't hear you. That's the weird part. I'll fix it.
You got to unmute now.
I hear you now. Now I hear you.
All right.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is give you the right so that you can share your screen,
All right.
and I'll walk you through what you need to do. Okay. So all you do is in the center, there's a green button at the bottom says share screen. And just share your entire screen or share your web browser that you can go into USSVI on it.
How's that work?
I don't see anything quite yet. You click the green button.
Yep.
You can just select, the easiest is just to select screen and then pull up your web browser that you're going to use.
Sure. Okay. Click that. Okay. Put share.
Okay, I see your screen. We're recording. So just go ahead and show me what you do.
Okay. I'm going to log in.
Mm-hmm.
Take a few seconds. Razor's Edge. This first one we're going to be doing is an update on an individual.
Okay.
Who paid his dues for life membership, and it's starting to, it's loading the screen. Permit use. Yeah, almost there. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to bring this over. Let me minimize this. Bring this over here. Now, do you see the?
Yes, I see the database.
Okay, so I'm going to go to home, records, and this individual's name is, in fact, I've got him up already. I'll bring him up, click there, slide this over here. He paid his membership. I'm going to go to memberships.
Okay.
Click there, new membership.
Okay.
Screen over. Membership ID, I don't bother with. The dollar amount doesn't really matter. It was $200.
Okay.
Okay, it's national. And it's life, the 66 to 75, 200. And his original join date. Now this you can put in the date of the payment, or you can put in his original join date. In this case, his original join date was 06/04/2022. And he's simply upgrading to life.
Okay.
And then simply say, okay. It's now posted, as you can see there. Now, next step is attributes. I'm going to go down, add life number. I got to find it here.
Okay.
Find life number wherever it is. All right, come on.
You can try and type an L and see if it will list all the L's. Okay, you're closer.
Nope, it does not. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, it does. Closer.
Number is L-12481.
Okay, great.
Save. And that's it. That's how you do post.
That's how you update a member. Awesome.
Update. Next step, we're going to put in a new member.
Okay.
Okay. Let me go to, there we go. And I got his record up. Okay, new individual.
Okay.
All right. Last name was Jones. Robert. H. or in this case, Harry, because that's what they had on the thing. Okay, titles, I don't necessarily need. We go down to gender. It's not required. The only thing that's required is that which is highlighted in blue. But I do it anyways. Date of birth.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Which we need. 11-30-1947. All right, marital status. I'll leave that blank because it doesn't show him being married. It just shows other for I think. Okay, then his address. 1075 TENAYALN Bisbee, Arizona. Zip is 856-03-9025. All right, telephone type, home phone. Telephone number is 520-266-0285. Email address, type email. And what I do is I just copy and paste because I have him in the old system. But otherwise you would be typing it in.
Sure.
All right, so now that takes care of that initial page. But here's the trick with this one. We then have to go to addresses. Oh, that's good. Wrong one. Bio 2, I meant.
No problem.
That's going to be his base. I put in TUCSON, Tucson. Bingo. Okay, that takes care of that page. Now we go to salutations. And I always use Mr. or in this case, we just use Robert Jones.
Mm-hmm.
Save. Now he's back over here. Click again. Open it up. We're going to go to relationships. There's two types of relationship, individuals, organizations. We're going to go to individual, new. This time it's they don't have a last name listed. It just says Allen, and it requires a last name. Well, at this point, with this particular individual, I would skip this, and he can come back and fill this in later.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know the individual's last name, just his first name.
Mm.
So I'm going to skip that. Now I'm going to go to back to relationships, organizations. Now put it TUCSON, Tucson.
So you're adding his base here.
To organizations. Okay. And there it pops up. Whoops. Oh,
I don't see it popping up because you
Right,
just
hang
shared
on.
your browser, but it's okay.
it's on a different screen.
Not a problem.
Okay. What I'll do is slide this over here. Sure, I put it in Tucson.
Mm-hmm.
Save and close. It's going to pop up with this little screen, and it's going to highlight Tucson, where they meet, etc. Just say use selected record.
Yep.
Say okay. Okay. Here you're going to go base member. Base member.
Okay.
You have to fill in the blue highlights. Okay.
I gotcha.
The date. In his case, he's life. So the start date would be 09 Tech 15 Tech 2022. I picked the 15 because it's a Thursday. I always put in new people on a Thursday. That way, when I do a search or a query, in order to make up new membership cards, I always use a Thursday.
Okay.
And 2 is we leave that blank. Save.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there he is. Now, next organization I put in, new organization. I'm gonna put in his ship that he was on. And I just type in the whole number, 594. Again, it comes up with 594 there. Use selected record. Yes, yes. And this isn't necessary. Remember, only the blue fields are absolutely.
Mhm.
I always fill in industry. I use military, US Navy. Position, he was a MM2.
I think you got MM at.
I see it. MM2. My fingers got ahead of me.
Yeah, I got you.
Profession, I put military. Relationship, because it's his qual boat, I put in hull. Crew member. Then the date that he was on. In this case, I'm looking at his record, he was on 1971 through 1973.
Okay.
Save.
Then you save that, and then you save the record as a whole too, right?
Okay, now I'm gonna go to membership, because we gotta pay for his membership.
Got it.
New membership,
Yeah.
bringing this over. He paid $200 of program. It's national, that's the only one there.
Yeah.
And then his,
Life.
then 09 tech, 15 tech, 2022, that's when he started.
Yeah.
Then you simply say, okay. Now we go to attributes. I always put his base first, Tucson.
Mm-hmm.
Let me open up his name group. There we go. Okay. Entered Navy, 1967. Left Navy, 1973. Let's see, what else we got? Entered, okay, goes down. I can put in his, whoops, wrong one. Whole number of his qual boat, actually. Which was 594. That's a drop-down menu.
Mm-hmm.
Once you just type it in, 594. And then go down to called boat, which is the actual name of the boat. That was the permit. We want qual year. Which was 1972. Now, 1972, that tells me he's Holland Club, which I've already ordered his packet. So go down and find Holland Club. Let's see. H. Nope.
Someday I'll qualify for the Holland Club too. 11 more years for that qual card to finish.
Well, I got 3. All right. Where the heck was that? All right.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's what I meant. This thing is not in alphabetical sequence.
Well, I tried to put everything they had under attributes in alphabetical order.
This drop-down menu is not.
I went to every drop-down menu on the whole list of attributes, all the tables, and organized the stuff.
Once I save this guy, it then puts it in sequence.
I got it.
Oh, Holland Club, there he is, right there, Holland Club. That's a simple yes, no. Yes.
Yeah.
And then I can put in the rest of the information, his rate, his rank, etc.
Yeah,
In this case,
it was MM3SS
MM2.
or MM2. Okay.
I don't care about base dues. One thing they can eliminate is base dues. I could care less about base stuff.
Well, I'll find out where that is and take it out. I don't want that even in there.
All right, let me find highest rates or rank. That's a drop down menu. It's E. I believe he was a
E5.
E5. Okay. And rate should be there.
Ooh, rate, highest rate.
And here you can just put in MM, which I prefer because but they have the whole drop down, all the different MM1, blah, blah, blah. But we know he was a second class MM. That's as far as I'm good.
Got it.
And now I gotta find his life number. There it is, life number. LTAC 12488.
81, right? Or
There you
okay.
go.
No, I'm good. Well,
All right, and essentially he's complete.
okay. Any other things you do in here that you think would be useful for a base?
The dues right now, because if they pay by credit card, because I get those Black Bart merchant service alerts,
Yeah,
that's why I've been going by. It's, in fact, that's pretty much how I found these guys.
okay. Not
Anyway,
a problem.
That in essence is how you put somebody in.
Okay, great. That's really helpful, Dennis. Thanks for your help with this.
Anything else?
Nope, I think we're good. So this is going to be a part of our training. I appreciate your time and sharing your wisdom here.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing because in
Yeah,
essence,
but I'm going to go ahead and I'll just shut off the